Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning for December 30th to January 5th, 2025 in my memory planner. I am using this kit from Scribble Prints, I believe. I don't remember the name of it because this was a mystery, and the foil is a mishmash of things. But I have my custom multis here from Plannahannah. I did go ahead and lay everything out because this is a company that I'm not like familiar with using a lot of. I have a lot of Scribble Prints Co, Crafts Press, and like Glam Planner more than anything, but I'm trying to use up my stash. So the stuff that I'm not familiar with using, or if I have a full kit versus a mini kit, I might just go ahead and lay it down just like this. But I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed for you guys. I do have all of my, most of my scripts here from Plannahannah, and these are just in the font of the month you can no longer get. I just have them foiled in black, and yeah, so let's just get down into it. So we are going to start with the top. Actually, I have a December here. Do something a little bit different, so I'm going to put December there, and I'm gonna put January above the 1st. Oops, there we go. Okay. Just trying to look. Okay, so Monday the 30th, we got up really early. And the little alarm clock is from a foil bundle, but we did get up early. And we drove to Baltimore because we were going to New York for an anniversary trip for New Year's. So that was fun, fun, fun in the sun. We then, this one, I'm trying to look here, guys. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, we did get some lunch out. We called my mom. We did it. Yeah. Wait, did I do that? No, this is wrong. We checked in. That's right. We checked into our hotel. That's what we did. Then we talked with Ophelia. Nope. So these were from a foil bundle. This is from Scribble Prints Co, and we went to Central Park. And that is from Once More with Love. We did have a nap from a foil bundle and Scribble Prints Co. And then we had our anniversary dinner here on this day, and that is from Plans. Okay. On Tuesday, we did get up early. Let me see. Do I have another early? Did we sleep in that day? No. We got to sleep in a little bit on the 31st. That's from the foil bundle. This little meeting sticker here is from Once More with Love. We did have to attend a small meeting. We had lunch out, which again I believe is from Scribble Prints Co. We had another nap. That's from Once More with Love. We did have wine before, and we grabbed some pizza. I think that's from DEK Designs. This is from Papershire. We went to Times Square. And the little couple is from, come on, Once More with Love. And then the little party girl here is to mark that it was New Year's Eve. Alright, so on the 1st, we got up super early because we were leaving to come home. We were Maryland bound. Don't remember where that's from, but that is from the foil bundle. This coffee cup, I believe, is from Scribble Prints Co. And we did get some coffee. These books are from Carlea Plans, and I read more of Love Light Farms. Actually, I did mess up this. No, I didn't. This car, I believe, is from Scribble Prints Co. and we arrived in Baltimore. The little cuddles thing there is from Once More with Love, and I had some cuddles with my kiddo. And then we relaxed as a family here, and that is from Glam Planner. All right. Oh, actually, this is not right. Baltimore, this is not right. This is the day my mom left. That's fine. And this is the day. So my mom actually went home the day we got home. She was, she had her own little trip for Christmas and stuff, so she wanted to just get home as soon as possible and sleep in her own bed and, you know, do what she needed to do. Okay. On to Thursday. I was tired AF from the foil bundle. I did have a YouTube binge. And the little YouTube is from Scribble Prints Co. This little guy here is from Scribble Prints Co. And my husband got a haircut. We did go grocery shopping, and that is from Scribble Prints Co. We watched Skeleton Crew this day. Yeah. Skeleton Crew. And that is from Scribble Prints Co. I did change my wax in my wax melters. Again, Scribble Prints Co. This little book here is from, oops, the little book here is from Scribble Prints Co. And I read more of Love Light Farms, and I did take a bath this night, and that's from Scribble Prints Co. So, there you go. On to Friday, I slept in. That's from Scribble Prints Co. I had a YouTube binge, which I have a play button there from the foil bundle. The coffee and the coffee cup are from a foil bundle. I did read Love Light Farms this day, and the books are from Scribble Prints Co. I did towels, and the washer is from Scribble Prints Co. We watched Who Framed Roger Rabbit. TV is from Scribble Prints Co. And I don't have another bath, do I? No, but I do. And we relaxed, pretty sure. All right, on to Saturday here. We did sleep in. The little slippers are from Scribble Prints Co. I had a YouTube binge, which the play button is from Scribble Prints Co. Or not Scribble Prints Co. From the foil bundle. We cleaned, and that is from Papershire. We did laundry, and that is from Papershire. I read Love Light Farms, and I had a bath that night. I did some self-care. That's right, okay. On to Friday, or Sunday, we slept in. There's a bed. There's a bed from the foil bundle. The play button is from Scribble Prints Co. And we had a YouTube binge. We went shopping, and that is from Scribble Prints Co. as well. We got Starbucks. The coffee cup is from a foil bundle. We watched more Skeleton Crew, and the little Disney Plus is from Scribble Prints Co. I don't have another read script. That's okay. I'll write it in. But the little pug is from Papershire, and we watched, or I had cuddles with our dog. We had some family time, and I know I spelled this wrong. That's okay. That's from Scribble Prints Co. And we ended our night by watching Triple G. And Guy Fieri right there is from Scribble Prints Co. So that is how that looks. I think I did fine with the black. I think I like the black a lot in this one. But that is how it looks. That's pretty much the end of 2024 and the start of January 2025, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!